Shifting our focus to some breaking updates coming in from the Supreme Court, the hijab controversy has been reignited with the matter coming up in the Supreme Court yet again after the split verdict that was given by the court in October. Now the petitioners are seeking an urgent hearing in the case. The petitioners are seeking an early hearing after the split verdict of October 13th, 2022. The Chief Justice saying we'll need to set up a 3-judge bench and the issue will be examined. The petitioners have shifted to private college after the government did not permit hijab. That's what the petition says, that because hijab was not being allowed, the students were forced to go to other institutions. Remember, back in October, the verdict by the Supreme Court, Justice Gupta upheld the Karnataka High Court order which had directed that the ban on hijab in the state-run pre-university institutions be continued in the interest of unity, equality and public order. But Justice Dhulia had disagreed with his colleague and said that he was unable to agree with the decision, also observing that he was conscious that a constitutional court must speak in one voice and that split verdicts and other notes do not resolve a dispute. So now the petitioners seeking a verdict from the Supreme Court. After the split verdict, the petitioners going to the Supreme Court again, seeking more details and directions to the Karnataka government. Legal editor Harish Nair on the broadcast with us with the details. Harish, after the split verdict, it looks like the matter has not been settled yet, with the petitioners yet again knocking on the doors of the Supreme Court.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. The hijab row has once again ignited in the Supreme Court. Remember, as you rightly said, October last year, the Supreme Court had delivered a split verdict while Justice Hemant Gupta had dismissed the appeals filed challenging the hijab ban. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia had in fact allowed the appeals and said that hijab is an essential religious practice for the Muslim students and it's a matter of choice for as far as the Muslim girls are concerned. Today, the lawyer for the students appeared before Chief Justice bench and said that expeditious setting up of a bench to decide the matter. The lawyer said that after the government colleges refused to allow them wearing hijab, they had joined private colleges and as pursuing their studies and exams in a private college, but for practical exams they have to go to a government college, so and they have to go there by wearing a hijab. So the petitioners' lawyers have sought an expeditious hearing of the matter. So Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, the Chief Justice, said that for this matter, since the 2-judge bench had delivered a split verdict, a 3-judge bench will have to be set up for it and therefore it will take some time. So the Supreme Court has agreed to examine the matter but has not specified a deadline or a timeline or a date has not been assured to the petitioners. So as of now, the Chief Justice bench has said that it will examine the matter as far as setting up a 3-judge bench is concerned but has not specified a deadline. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So Chief Justice Chandrachud saying that we will examine the case. We will have to set up a 3-judge bench. Harish, any information on when the matter could be taken up? Because the petitioners have asked for an early hearing. They've also said that there are examinations that will be taking place. So asking the court to take it up quickly. Any word on when it could be taken up? Because the arguments that are being made yet again are the same, that because of this verdict, the students had to leave their college and join other private institutions.
Yes, Pratibha, as I said earlier, the lawyer submitted that after the government colleges refused to allow them to come inside the college wearing a hijab, they have in fact joined private colleges where hijab is allowed. But for practical exams, they have to come to a government college and they can give practical exams only in government college and the exams are approaching. But Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said he will soon set up a 3-judge bench to hear the matter, given the fact that a 2-judge bench had given a split verdict, 1:1 verdict. So a 3-judge bench will have to be set up. He will examine the matter and very soon inform about the date from the day when the hearing will start, but has not specified a date as to when the hearing will start before a 3-judge bench.